Hello and welcome to the OrCAD X Capture series. This video demonstrates how to run the online and batch design rule checks, DRCs, in OrCAD X Capture. In OrCAD X Capture, a design rule check, DRC, consists of a set of rules that designers can use to verify that their schematic aligns with the tool's defined rules. The DRC feature operates in two modes: Online DRC and Batch DRC. In Online DRC mode, DRCs are used to check the design in real time as the user works on it. For example, when a part is placed in the schematic editor, the Online DRC triggers a window showing missing PCB footprint property. If the window is not visible, you can access it through the View Others menu by clicking on Online DRCs. To specify the footprint property, double-click on the part, specify the footprint property in the Property Editor window, save the changes, and close the window. This will remove the Online DRC. You can turn on or off the Online DRCs, choosing PCB, Design Rules check, or clicking on the DRC icon. In the Options tab, you can choose to turn on or off the Online DRC mode. In the Rules Setup tab, default rules are set, and the user can select specific rules to check online. For example, you can choose the single node nets. Click Apply and close the DRC dialog box. After doing this, notice warnings displayed on the screen. Double-click on the warning to highlight it on the screen. Fix the connection and ensure that there are no errors or warnings. When performing batch DRCs, you should run them manually. Begin by selecting the design in Project Manager and navigating to PCB. Click on Design Rules check and proceed to the Options tab to specify your preferences. In the Action field, you have the option to run the DRCs on the entire design or a selected schematic page, or delete the DRC's markers on the design or delete the DRC's markers on the selected page. For complex hierarchical designs, it is advisable to use the Occurrence mode, whereas Instance mode is more suitable for flat and simple hierarchical designs. In the Warning field, Create DRC Markers can be selected to view the markers in the schematic editor. In the Show DRC Outputs, selecting DRC Window is recommended. In the Rules Setup tab, default rules are set, but you can select which rules you want to be applied in batch mode. In the Report Setup tab, you can generate the batch DRC reports, which is essential for effectively identifying and resolving design issues. The ERC Matrix tab, also known as the Electrical Rules Check Matrix tab, is a crucial tool for identifying invalid pin-to-pin connections in the design. It enables you to define which pin type to pin type connections are valid, categorizing each combination as a warning, an error, or no error. To handle any exceptions, you can set them up in the Exception Setup tab. Once everything is configured, click Run. If errors or warnings trigger batch DRCs, double-clicking on the DRC will highlight the schematic editor, while double-clicking on the DRC marker will display the warning report. You can then choose to waive the DRC if the connection is intentional, or fix the connection issue if not. Then, save the design and run the batch DRC again. Notice that there are no errors or warnings. When the Design Rules check is run, a report is generated. This report can be found under the Outputs folder in the Project Manager window. That's all the time we have now for this video. To learn more about the OrCAD X Capture tool, click the link below and enroll for free courses on the Cadence Support portal. Thanks for watching.